This video demonstrates the correct procedure for coding in transmitters to an automatic technology easy roller opener. Remove the control panel button cover. Press and hold the door code button. Press button 1 on the transmitter for 2 seconds. Release. Pause for 2 seconds. Press button 1 again for 2 seconds. And release. You have now coded in the hand transmitter. Let's now repeat those steps for a wall control, but this time we will look at the transmitter on the main screen. Press and hold the door code button. Press the wall control button for 2 seconds. Release. Pause for 2 seconds. Press the wall control button again for 2 seconds, and release. You have now coded in the wall control. Finally, let's code in an external keypad. To start, press and hold the door code button. Now enter in the factory code, or your unique 4-digit code, to unlock the keypad. Press button 1 on the keypad for 2 seconds. Release. Pause for 2 seconds. Press button 1 again for 2 seconds. And release. You have now coded in button 1 on the keypad. For more keypad coding functions, please refer to the keypad installation instructions. That concludes this tutorial on coding transmitters. Automatic technology. Smart, simple, secure.